Welcome to the first of hopefully many International Professors Project tutorials. My name is Ernest Rando, and I will be guiding you through the initial steps of getting acquainted with how we use Google Applications within the International Professors Project, how to set up your International Professors Project account on Google Applications, and I will also be giving tutorials on how to use certain features like Google Docs and Google Mail within the International Professors Project Google Application Domain. So let's begin with step one. You will receive, after filling out a International Professors Project human resource form, you will be followed up after you provide us with your contact information, skills, and interests within IPP. You will be followed up with an email that should look very similar to this. It will say, hello, you have a new account at IPP. You have a temporary password, and it gives you your email address within our Google Applications, and it asks you to sign in at the IPP domain. You should follow this link, and it will take you to the IPP start page. First thing you will want to do here is you will want to sign in, and this will direct you to the sign in page. You will want to use the temporary password from your email as the password for your IPP account, and it assumes that the @internationalprofs.org is part of your username, and so you will only need to type in the beginning part of your username. Once you sign in, you will be able to choose your own password and check out the terms and services of using Google Applications, and then you will need to accept and create your account. When you have created your new password and set up your account within the IPP Google Application Domain, you will come to the full start page of the International Professors Project. This is known as your start page. You will notice that your URL begins with partnerpage.com/internationalprofs.org. You will also want to notice that here you can access your docs, mail, sites, groups. You can also quickly navigate to the welcome and news site, as well as navigate to the FAQ site. You will notice that your start page is broken into 3 columns, and the first column is dictated by the webmasters at the International Professors Project. We provide easy access to your mail, your docs, and other useful links. You will also notice that this is a typical Google landing page where you can add widgets by using the add stuff function on the right hand side. Now you'll be able to place these widgets within the second 2 columns. You can adjust these however you see fit and remove them if you so choose, and you will also be able to if you would like, add your Google Calendar. And this is your International Professors Project homepage or start page. The main features here is that we will ask you to become familiar with the welcome and news site. This will be the first site that you want to go to, and it will be in my next tutorial I will discuss the features of the welcome and news site and the FAQ site, so you'll want to make sure that you're familiar with both of those. And if you have any questions, feel free to submit feedback in any of the sites that you visit, or email gawebmasters@internationalprofs.org. You will notice as you navigate to your docs that you can continue to navigate in the top left hand corner of your screen to mail, calendar, sites, and even groups. The main difference between having an account with Google Applications and having your personal Google account is you will notice that your login, your username is different, and that these are two different accounts. The Google documents found in your personal Google account show your personal documents and your personal Google username. This is totally different than the documents and mail and calendar found within the IPP domain. So this is something that you'll want to pay attention to. It's pretty easy to pay attention to once you get things set up. And as always, by navigating back to the start page, you can do so. Thank you for listening to the first tutorial, and hope that you were able to set up your account, create a new password, and that you are checking out the welcome and news site as well as the new FAQ site. Thank you, and welcome to the International Professors Project.